Hello learners. In this tutorial we will be learning conditional statement in JS. Watch this video till the end. Conditional statements in JS. Basically, there are two types of conditional statements. If-else statement, switch statement. The if-else statements allows us to execute different blocks of code based on conditions. In the below code, we are applying if-else condition to check whether the age is equal to 18 or not. Note, in JavaScript, we use triple equals to ensure the value as well as the data type matches. Whereas the double equals to only matches the value no matter whether it is of type string or number. A switch statement is useful when we have multiple conditions to check. It works similar to the if-else statement. Now let's understand switch case statement. In switch case statement, we first give the expression beside switch in parenthesis. Like in this example, we have taken day as an expression which will be compared to print the results accordingly. In case keyword, we give the exact values of the variable kept as expression. Like in this example, it says that check day variable value, and if in case the value of day variable is 1 then console.log Monday. If the value of day is 2 then console.log Tuesday and so on. Also, the default says that if the value does not matches from any of the above cases then console.log invalid day. Here, break in every cases stops the program after each case, or else if we remove all the break then all the cases will get executed after the case gets matched. Do not forget to give your valuable suggestions in the comment box. This was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel.